You use Power BI as your primary analytics tool. Great choice. But Power BI in build usage analysis leaves much to be desired. When you struggle with cluttered repositories, your end users totally ignore reports you make and you have no idea why, licensing and maintenance costs are rising with no visible return on investment, and your BI team's overloaded with requests, it seems like only some BI hero can come and save the day. Are you ready to become one? Accton Auditor gives you the superpower to track reports usage, optimize BI environment structure, understand business users, identify analytics champions, save costs, and ease tension in your BI team. Leverage the power of Accton Auditor today and get full control over your Power BI environment in 3 days. Being a BI hero is as simple as that. Ready to become one?